Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you quick and effective 6 everyday hair hacks for hair loss, hair growth and hair fall, and also for longer, thicker and shinier hair. It's been a while since I posted hair hacks. I think you guys are waiting for hair hacks, and I also think people still want that quick and best solution for hair. Because nowadays we don't have time to take special care of our hair because it takes long process, lots of time and energy. So let's start with our first ever hack. Have you ever got upset because of your thin hair? Because I have few friends who have thin hair. They always ask me how I have thick hair. Thick hair doesn't require extra care. You just have to use these three oils: argan, castor and rosemary oil. Mix these three oil and apply on your hair and scalp and massage about 10 to 15 minutes twice a week. Combination of these three oils actually heals your hair from root to the tips. Argan oil targets dryness and delivers boost of vitamins and nutrition to the hair. And castor oil is naturally reparative and encourage healthy hair growth. Rosemary oil stimulates healthy and thick hair. This oil can speed up the process of cell turnover and growth, which can work as a natural remedy to grow thicker hair. Now moving on to our next hack. When we compare healthy and not so healthy hair, we can see lots of difference. Like healthy hair looks smooth, moisturized, has no roughness and split ends. And on not so healthy hair, you can see is rough, dry hair with lots of split ends. Use these three things for smooth, healthy hair. Take 2 pumps of your regular hair serum, add 2-3 drops of olive oil and 2-3 drops of tea tree oil. Apply on your hair lengths before washing your hair or when your hair looks rough and unhealthy. Hair serum helps revive dry, dull-looking hair by infusing moisture into each hair strands, reducing knots and tangles, protecting against damage. And tea tree oil is rich in antioxidant, which means tea tree oil can prevent your hair from getting split ends and makes your hair look healthy. And olive oil contains strong moisturizing ingredients such as oleic acid and squalane. That's why it's so effective for split ends, smoothing and moisturizing. Our next hack is for hair fall is stress. So for every girls, women, I think for everyone, even if you see few hairs on your hairbrush while brushing your hair makes you worried. Hair fall occurs at any age. Mostly hair loss and hair fall happens because of chemical treatments and nutrition deficiency. You can make some changes in your hair care routine that can really stop your hair fall, and for you guys, I have found the best products for hair fall. Naturally hair fall as shampoo and conditioner. I have been using them for a while. These products are moisturizing, and what I really like is that these products are sulfate and parabens free. Wash your hair with a naturally hair fall oil shampoo, then use conditioner. It lasts long. Small amount is enough to wash your hair, and it's so rich and creamy. It lathers so well that it does the perfect cleansing of my hair and scalp. Then you can follow up with the hair fall oil conditioner. It has creamy and thick texture. Apply on your hair lengths for deep conditioning. The shampoo and conditioner are so conditioning. After using, you actually feels like you also have used hair mask afterwards. It makes your hair soft and helps you reduce hair fall. You can visit the website naturally.com.n, and for you I will leave links in the description box below. And don't forget to use my coupon code Shanaya10 for additional discount. So now let's move on to the next hack. Have you ever noticed broken hair on your hairbrush while brushing your hair, or rough hair after brushing? That's happened because you're using your hairbrush or comb wrongly. Using hairbrush or comb in right way cause no damage to your hair. For the healthy hair, use your comb and brush in right way. Use white tooth comb for detangling your hair. White tooth combs are great for detangling and preventing breakage. White tooth combs effectively detangle dye in your hair, and it's best if you have long and wavy hair. Use paddle hairbrush for regular brushing. Dry and harsh on your scalp. The more you brush your hair with it, the smoother hair will feel. Paddle hairbrush stimulates blood flow and circulation in the scalp, and they add classy straightened look to your short, medium or long hair. The flat shape of the brush smoothens hair, removes frizz and helps prevent breakage, and also distribute natural oil, which are essential for healthy scalp and hair growth. And for styling your hair, use fine tooth comb. Fine tooth comb is your best option as it closed teeth allows it to settle hair in place. Fine tooth combs are essential for styling and parting hair. These combs are most ideal for getting hair perfectly straight. With these combs, you can make many hairstyles without damaging your hair. So now let's move on to the next hack. Do you have love-hate relationship with your hot tools like hair dryer or heat styling tools? Or are you afraid of heat damage while using your hair dryer? Hair dryers are commonly used and can cause hair damage such as roughness, dryness and loss of hair color. And without the right preparation, heat tools can leave your hair feeling dry, frizzy and damaged. Before using hair dryer or heat styling tools, use these three things: hair serum, argan oil and heat protecting spray. Add 2-3 drops of argan oil into your hair serum, then apply heat protecting spray on your hair. A hair serum coats your hair to provide day-long protection from heat, humidity, dryness and other environment aggressor. Argan oil has become staple for smoothing frizz and adding shine. This nutrition-rich oil contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid as well as vitamin E, so it's extremely nourishing as well as protective. And heat protecting spray adds protective layer on your hair which helps keep it safe from the heat produced by heat styling tools. And the spray seals in moisture in your hair and smoothens the cuticles outer layers of your hair. So now let's move on to the next hack. Are you struggling with extremely damaged, frizzy, rough hair? Harsh brushing or washing your hair using heat styling too much, excessive blow drying or styling in salon. This type of mechanical damage will be visible on cuticles and you will notice dry, dull strands, texture change and breakage. To repair hair damage, take out hair mask in a bowl according to your hair length and then add olive and coconut oil into your hair mask. And before applying, wet your hair with a hot or lukewarm water and then apply on your hair lengths. Hair mask is formulated to strengthen and moisturize hair. It improves its condition and can ultimately reduce hair breakage, smooth frizz, and makes hair more manageable and enhance shine. And olive oil is rich in vitamin E and A. Olive oil repairs and reverses the damage caused by overstyling, heat, and chemicals. It helps protect the protein keratin in your hair and locks in the moisture. It nourishes and conditions hair. It contains all the necessary nutrition that provides your hair with the proper condition and nourishment. It reduces hair breakage and also improves hair texture. I hope this video will help and hope you enjoyed this video, and for more exciting videos don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.